In today's video, I'm gonna talk to you about this Sticker Hero book about stickers, all for preschool. And then, so I'm gonna do a little flip through and then give you my honest review. So welcome back to my channel, Homeschool in Paradise, and welcome if you're new. My name is Magali. I have a 4 and a 6 years old, and we live in Hawaii. So this was sent to me by Timberdoodle. So if you don't know the company, they're really awesome. They find always great curriculum, books, anything, homeschooling, the best of the best. And then you can order from there, like full kit or just the items. So I'm part of their blog team. They send me this, and my daughter has been in love with it. So I'm gonna show you a little bit, but it's pretty affordable if you're looking for something to have your kids engaged. So my daughter that is 4 years old, I don't really require her to do anything for homeschooling except like being present for when we read the books. She's really an auditory learner, but she's been asking to participating and then having these books. She's so excited. When we start school with my son, we sit down and then she grabs her book with her sticker and she loves it. And actually my son, who is 6, he was a little bit jealous from having her doing all the stickers. So I actually bought a book from Amazon that is like 1,000 stickers just so he could have stickers as well. You know, kids love stickers. So there has a lot of like simple smart activities. My daughter, I mean, she's 4, so it's easy for her at that age, but it's like this one was matching the pear, and then this one finding the pear and then putting the sticker on it. So really nice and easy activities, and then putting the food on each, putting the animals, and then finding the path. So all the stickers are at the end, and then these are the ones that we haven't done yet. She's about halfway through, but there's a lot of stickers, all the animals, and then finding the path, apple maze. And then I'll show you as well some videos that my daughter doing it. Honestly, really a great if you're looking for a book for stickers for your preschooler, really great. So the on the job, supermarket, and then what's missing, yeah, maybe I'll put it here. And then cookie match, let's make flower bloom, cat chase, sea creatures. So a lot of mazes. And then that one she struggled because, yeah, that one was a little bit harder. And then match the numbers, playground rules. So there's some that are a little bit harder and some a little bit easier. So these are the numbers, count to 12. And then that's where she hasn't done. So you're gonna see here, she's gonna have to put some stickers along the path of the animals. And like this one, ABC maze, follow the path in order of the alphabet as you go, put stickers on the path. So the first letter of the picture matches the letter in the circle. So she'll have to put some stickers along the way of the alphabet. So it's just showing you the numbers, alphabet, and all. Really a great book if you're looking for something like this. And I'm gonna put the link below of this with Timberdoodle, so go check it out. And then let me know if you are doing any workbook for your kids. How old are your kids? Please leave me a comment, give a thumbs up to this video, and then I'll see you next time. Bye.